I'm back with a tutorial that's quick and easy, yet still attractive and beautiful. For the first step, measure about 4 fingers up from the nape of the neck and make a ponytail. And then, using a plastic elastic, tie off the middle of the ponytail. Using your fingers, gently pull on both sides of that section. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 sections. Then, you're going to shape the hair into a semicircle and place it over the base of the ponytail. Use your fingers to help you and pull the hair outwards a little. This will make the style look more attractive. Then, secure the style with a long pin. Take the rest of the hair, cross the strands over each other underneath the bun, and use pins to fix both sides in place, just as shown. For the design, you can use these pearl pins, or you can keep the style simple. So let me know what you think. Make sure to leave a comment. Did you like it? Friends, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a very simple and charming style using this really beautiful butterfly clip. So stay with me. First, we're going to tie all the hair back with a hair tie, and then very carefully, we'll pull the hair tie down a few centimeters. We'll use our finger to create an opening in the hair, just like you see here. Now, we'll twist the rest of the ponytail and then pass it through that opening. Do this exactly as shown in the video. It's a very simple step, and then we'll tighten the hair tie. Now you can see it's created 2 bumps on the sides. We'll take a small plastic elastic and tie off the end of the hair. Tie the end of the hair so that it tucks inward, exactly like you see in the video. Using your lovely hands, bring those 2 bumps together and place the end of the ponytail over them, just like that. And then just place that beautiful butterfly clip onto your hair. Now tell me, where would you go with this beautiful hairstyle? Goodbye, friends. Hello, everyone. Look what I brought for you. Today I want to present you with a very beautiful tutorial. All you really need is simply a hair tie, preferably one with a large, beautiful flower on it. Let's go see. First, we tie all the hair to one side. Actually, a one-sided ponytail. Then we use a small amount of nourishing hair cream and gently massage the hair with it, making sure it is evenly distributed. Now we use the twist technique and carefully twist the hair, as shown in the picture. We use a plastic elastic band to tie the ends of the hair. Pay attention to the movement of my hand. Carefully tuck the loose ends of the hair gently inward, making sure to do it exactly as pictured in the demonstration. Well, my dears, we are watching this scene slowly. Please pay attention to the movement of my hand as I carefully gather the hair into a smooth circle and gently shape it. Now, we use our fingers to softly pull the hair outwards just a little bit to create some extra volume. And finally, we use a few hairpins to securely fasten our work in place. Wow, now for the fun part, using an accessory that I really love. Now wrap that hair tie around your hair like in the picture. Well, look at what an attractive and beautiful result it gave. Isn't she really beautiful? Comment your opinion. Be sure to support me. I will bring you a lot of beautiful work. Rest assured, I promise you.